Dude, what?
Let's reverse killing it. And
What?
calling the opposites, dude. That's what I was doing.
What was that one then?
Those are all waters, dude.
Call him.
Water.
Keep going.
Again?
Yeah.
Water. 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 What, do you want me to keep going?
Yeah, just hit water.
And it's gonna be so much hella fun in college. Like I'm Asher Rock, like Alex Widow's brother, and he's at the spot. He's not a flop, cause he's fast as fuck. He's stronger than me, and he can kick my top ass. Just turned into Whispering Oaks. Now I wanna do just a little bit of coke and a little bit of white line. Like I'm Jody interested, I know she lies. She never gets it. She's not a drug addict, cause she just gets dick in. You recording this shit right now? Alright. I keep it going for the camera, cause you already know who it is. Half Sick Production, Dirtbag City, son. Just took a right down the new road. Now they know where we going, it's too cold. Outside, too not very inked sweatshirt, but it's fine. I'm just gonna keep going, even though the song gets kinda slow. But it's not homo, so I just call no homo. Like when Austin was taking a shower in my house, it's not like I was looking, cause I'm not a slouch. I just sit on the computer all day, and when things don't go my way, I just look up some porn, maybe jack off, but I can't afford the good shit. So I just go free, then I keep going and I beat my freestyle in the car. I just keep a beat too far, just keep going, son.
Water. 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 What, do you want me to keep going?
Yeah, just hit water.
Water. Water. Water. What, do you want me to keep going?
Yeah, just hit water.
Water. Water. Water. What, do you want me to keep going?
Yeah, just hit water.
Water. Water. Water. What, do you want me to keep going?
Yeah, just hit water.
Water. Water. Water. What, do you want me to keep going?
Yeah, just hit water.
Water. Water. Water. What, do you want me to keep going?
Yeah, just hit water. Water. Oh.